How to find the XP ramp-up challenges in Duolingo. The Duolingo XP ramp-up challenge is something that popped up with the last update of Duolingo as an opportunity to earn 40 XP in just 2 minutes instead of the regular 10 XP. It is only available at certain times within the League tab in Duolingo. Now in the newer version, you complete timed lessons to get the 40 XP lesson instead of just completed the 40 XP lesson at first like the last version. The first time that you do the challenge, you can do it for free, which basically means that you don't need to upgrade to Duolingo Plus or use any of your gems. Now, where do you exactly find the XP ramp-up challenge? It is a small purple lightning symbol that shows up when you're in the League tab of Duolingo. It should look something like this. Now, if you haven't completed any lessons that week, you will see the screen shown here, and you will have to complete the lessons to join. And that's how to find the XP ramp-up challenge in Duolingo.